Okay guys, welcome to Play with Aiden. I'm gonna show you how to make a flip phone with cardboard. So you need this cardboard, it's like this, and then you need the scissors. Ask for a grown-up to help you because this scissors is only for grown-ups. But I'm 9 years old now. Okay, it's like this. Then fold it. If your paper cardboard is too long, cut it so they can very a good flip phone. Now it looks like this. Now it looks like a flip phone. After that, let's go curve it so now looks like a flip phone. So it's like this. Now it looks like this. Flip phone. Oh, I forgot to almost fix this. Like that. Then get your marker so we can draw it. Else like this, draw a little window, and then draw your camera. Camera. It's like that. Do you see it? Open it and draw a window again. Now it looks like this. Sorry about that. I have a fever. It's like that. And then you can draw your name over here. I can draw my name. Play with Aiden. Play with Aiden. You can write your own name too. E-D-A-N. That's how you write your name. Play with Aiden. Like. And then draw a numbers. This from the keypad. Draw a keypad. So draw a rectangle. Like that. And then draw this. Draw like this. And then same this over here. That's how you draw a keypad. Then write the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then of course 0, because 0 is the main of 10. Like that. That's how you make a flip phone. See you!